Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video we are going to take a closer look at the new oak leaf cut foil die set. This is a part of the autumn impression release from Trinity stamps. So here you can see the four dies that comes in this set. You can see that it's a base layer and two more detailed layers for a fun look. It also comes with this hot foiling plate that you can use. I will show you here quickly how you can use this hot foiling plate alongside the glimmer hot foiling system. There will be more intricate videos on how to use this on the channel later on, but I just wanted to give you a quick look on how you can use this. So you are heating up your machine, you are using your die face up on the plate, and then you use some foil and some smooth white paper I used here, and you can see the result. It's really fun and easy to use, and it's just this amazing addition to your stash. So if you don't want to hot foil your dies, you can also use the other dies, or you can use them together as well. Here you can see I'm cutting out all of the layers out of a couple of different shades of green cardstock here, and the most detailed layers looks like this, and it's just beautiful. And by the way, this die set could also be used together with the new mini Slimline oak leaf panel for even more fun ideas. So here it looks all the three layers together, and here is once more the hot foiling plate together with the outlined die, and that looks like this. And of course this is my favorite. I think it's so much fun, and I think you also can use it together with that most detailed layer. I didn't do it for this video, but that is just an idea that you can do if you would like. So I spent some time and heat foiled my panel here, and you can see the results. I paired it up with another older thank you sentiment from Trinity stamps. If you like this die, I will leave you with some more inspiration from the design team, and you can also find more inspiration over at our YouTube, Facebook and Instagram account. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!